Hello, my name is Alan Whitty, and in today's video, I'm going to be telling you about 3 ways to help you sell a home if it needs repairs. Number 1 is to get a home inspection. Finding problems ahead of time are going to help you shorten the amount of time it takes to sell the home. It's also going to help you identify problems maybe you didn't know existed. Bringing in a home inspector, somebody who inspects homes daily, is able to find problems that you might not even know existed. So bringing that home inspector in the home before you sell the home can help you. It'll also help you shorten up the sale time because a lot of times you're going to have work to do before you sell it after the inspector is there. And identifying those problems ahead of time, that's going to keep you from wasting time after you got an offer. So this is all done before anybody even steps foot in the property. That's the first option. The second option you could do is you could sell it to an investor or a bargain hunter. Investors, first of all, they're looking for a home that they can buy and do work to fix it up and bring it up to a retail value. They're going to want to see, things that need upgrading, and they'll do it themselves in order to bring the value of the home up and then try to sell it for a retail price. Bargain hunters, they're loving that location. They want to live in that area, and they're willing to look past anything that could be a potential problem and fix it up themselves, sort of like sweat equity or elbow grease, if you want to call it that. They're gonna come in knowing what's wrong. They'll be able to do the work and buy the home probably as is as well. So bargain hunters, they're looking for those fixer uppers, but again, they're only interested primarily in a great location. If it needs repairs, they're okay with that. The third thing we want to talk about is that, and I consider to be the most important thing, and that's to be realistic on your sale price. Pricing a home for the condition that it's in the market that you're in, is going to help you to be competitive. If you're too high priced and the home needs a lot of work, you're not gonna get offers that you're looking for, higher offers or cash offers and the like. So pricing the home accordingly is critical in any market, especially if your home needs work, and especially if inventory is starting to increase. Buyers have more options when there's more options to be had. More properties on the market. They'll be able to pick and choose which one they like. So if you're going to want yours to stand out, you're going to have to position it in the market to attract those higher offers. I'm Alan Whitty with eXp Realty. If you have any other questions about real estate, don't hesitate to reach out.